Okay, hello guys, this is Caleb from Get Fakada. In this video, I'll explain how I came up with a code that can upload Excel file using PDO. PDO is PHP data object. PHP data object is called, I wanna get reference here. Yeah, written in C, so you know it is fast, designed to make use of all PHP at least 5.1 version. Yeah. So, but before we get started, I would like to thank everyone who viewed my first video, and this really motivated me, and it really motivated me, and I'm so grateful for that, and I'll keep on doing it. And this time around, I'll be uploading at least 2 videos each and every week. So subscribe and I'll try all my best to get back to you and answer if you need me to refer you to the right place or right people. I will do so. Okay, another thing, like the full source code of it, you can have it for free. As of now, you can email it up and can share you the link, and or else you can just download it in the link that I've shared in the description of the video. So let's get started. Okay, this is the interface. This is the interface for this code uploading a file using PDO. We have I've used SP admin bootstrap template, and this is our form. Okay, this is our form, and this is our table that display the results that we have uploaded and inserted in our database. So let's go to our source code. Okay, this is index.php, the one that display and the one that had the form, and here we have our form here, and our action goes to upload student.php, and our name is file name. That one will same use, that will be referred, we use even to our action page, upload student.php, and below here we have our table that display our results. Okay, we'll get back to this in detail later in this video. And on top here we have our include function that include our database page, and this is our database connection page, and you can see it is it differs with the way we're using the former the way we use it MySQL queries. So this is a database connection code. This is how we connect using PDO. But there are many ways. But I like this one because I like the way they arrange it. So pretty cool to me. Yeah. Okay. I have server name. I used the variables. I have DB name grateful. Our database name is grateful, and you can see here we have database here, we have grateful, and for this video we're only using table code. The field you have here, they match with the field we have to our Excel file here. Okay, yes, yeah, this is our Excel file, and you can see the field here, number of field we have here matches with the number field on our table here. Yeah, so that's all about our database. Now let's get going. Okay, now we have form which to upload student.php. So let's open upload student.php. Okay, this is upload student.php, and also we include our database connection page, and here we check if we inserted our form. If it's inserted this variable, it opens the file which we have uploaded. Now it is file name. You can also here see that is also what our name is, file name. Okay, the name has to be identical, and file name also their file name, and this variable it accepts the data. It's an array variable that accepts the data from our file. Okay, that's the file which you have opened here. Then after opening it here, I'm checking if data is not large number. Why I'm checking? Why am I checking? Because I don't want to insert this law. I wanna insert starting from this law going downward. So that's why I'm checking what I'm checking here. And here I have a student, and this is insert statement. After setting it, now you can see 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 8. You can ask why that, because now it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see? So that's all about it. And don't go here. Yeah. So after inserting it, now we can open our location in index.php, which is this page. After inserting it, now we can display it. We want to display first name, last name, gender, and year. And here this is the code that executes. They have all students. We have this is a connection variable for the database. This code, and here you can also see this is code. Yeah. So this is the query function, and this is while all student loads. This accept data from this execution. When it accepts it, now it goes through each and every law, and we display first name. Yeah. So let's try to delete this and try to see if it work. If it uploaded, let's do this. Got it. Yeah. Here it's empty. Let's got it. Yeah. Let's upload it again. Oh yes, student uploaded here. This is our student, means that's successfully uploaded and set it. Now this is data we have here. Yeah, the data I have here, there are 21, and you can check it here as well there. Okay, so that's what explaining how I came up with this code uploading file using PDO. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, you can have this code, full source code of it for free, okay, by opening the link below or by emailing up in the email address I've shared on the description below. Thank you so much. Don't forget to comment and dislike or like, whichever way. If you have any question, you can ask. Thank you so much. See you next